The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So before I get further into the video, I'd like to give a big shout out to Total Tech for this video idea. He did a video about the Galaxy Note 10 pictures right here. So shout out to him for this video idea, and so we now finally have live images of a Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So this is the front of the phone, y'all gotta see the setup screen right there, it's booted up and everything. Y'all go see the punch hole for the front facing camera that on the Galaxy Note 10. So this is pretty cool. So this is the front of the phone. It does have a sub screen there, so it's pretty cool. So yeah, this is the boot up screen for the Galaxy Note 10, and y'all also see Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So I guess the Galaxy Note 10 Pro leaks were just bullshit or whatever, but it is what it is. So you guys see power by Android, secured by Knox there. So this is the boot up screen. So that's pretty cool. And then on the back of the Galaxy Note 10 is the back here. It's very blurry, so it looks like it has 3 cameras on the back, and the camera flash, that's pretty nice. So the back of the phone here, picture wise, it's like blurry. So there you guys have it. This is the back of the phone. It does have stickers on the back, so it's very blurry. So this is what the back of the Note 10 will probably look like. So there you guys have it. So what do you guys think about these live images of the Galaxy Note 10? Will you guys be getting a Galaxy Note 10? So yeah, that's pretty much it there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys have less man a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.